Step into sophistication with this elegant modern living room, where luxury meets nature in perfect harmony. At its heart lies a central atrium, adorned with exotic plants and a mesmerizing cascading waterfall feature. Surrounding this lush oasis are sleek furnishings and minimalist design elements, exuding refined elegance at every turn. Whether you're seeking solace or hosting soirees, this tranquil retreat offers the epitome of relaxation and luxury. Let the gentle sound of the waterfall soothe your senses as you bask in the serenity of your surroundings. It's a sanctuary where modern aesthetics and natural beauty coalesce to create an oasis of unparalleled elegance and tranquility. Step into chic sophistication with this modern living room, where contemporary design meets tropical paradise. The focal point? A living green wall, bursting with lush foliage that breathes life into the space. Potted plants and tropical foliage accentuate the room, adding vibrant pops of color and texture. Amidst this verdant backdrop, stylish furnishings and contemporary decor shine, creating an atmosphere of effortless elegance. Whether you're lounging in luxury or entertaining guests, this lush oasis sets the stage for memorable moments. Embrace the fusion of urban chic and natural beauty as you immerse yourself in the allure of this modern tropical retreat. Indulge in opulence with this luxurious modern living room, where sophistication meets tropical paradise. A sunken seating area beckons, cocooned by lush greenery and overlooking a tranquil koi pond. Expansive windows frame views of the tropical landscape, blurring the lines between indoors and out. Here, serenity reigns supreme, offering an opulent retreat from the bustle of everyday life. Whether you're lounging in luxury or admiring the beauty of nature, every moment in this lavish oasis is an escape to tranquility. Immerse yourself in the splendor of this modern paradise. It's a haven where indulgence meets the tropics in perfect harmony. Step into contemporary elegance with this modern living room, where sleek design harmonizes with tropical allure. Encased in glass, an atrium bursts with lush tropical plants, infusing the space with vibrant greenery. Multiple seating areas beckon, inviting you to unwind and socialize amidst the beauty of nature. Whether you're enjoying quiet moments alone or entertaining guests, this tranquil oasis provides the perfect backdrop for relaxation and conversation. Let the natural light dance off the foliage as you immerse yourself in the serenity of this inviting sanctuary. It's a modern twist on tropical living, where comfort and style converge in perfect harmony. Step into sophistication with this stylish modern living room, where urban chic meets tropical bliss. Sliding glass doors blur the boundaries between indoor and outdoor spaces, seamlessly connecting the sleek interior with a private patio garden adorned with lush tropical plants. Whether you're lounging indoors or soaking up the sun outside, this seamless transition creates a chic and tranquil retreat. Embrace the serenity of nature as you relax amidst the verdant foliage, surrounded by the modern elegance of your surroundings. It's a fusion of style and relaxation, where every moment promises a breath of fresh air and a touch of tropical luxury. Step into tranquility with this inviting modern living room, where comfort meets tropical charm. Floor-to-ceiling windows wrap around a cozy seating area, offering panoramic views of a lush indoor garden brimming with palm trees, ferns, and vibrant tropical blooms. Here, amidst the verdant oasis, the air is filled with a sense of serenity and rejuvenation. Whether you're curled up with a book or simply enjoying the beauty of nature, every moment in this tranquil retreat is a soothing escape from the chaos of everyday life. Let the lush greenery and gentle breeze refresh your spirit as you immerse yourself in this oasis of calm. Step into comfort and serenity with this cozy modern living room, where relaxation intertwines with tropical allure. Nestled within the embrace of lush greenery, a sunken lounge area awaits, adorned with tropical plants and a tranquil water feature. Natural materials and warm lighting further enhance the inviting ambience, enveloping you in a sense of calm and intimacy. Whether you're unwinding after a long day or sharing quiet moments with loved ones, this tranquil sanctuary offers the perfect retreat. Let the soothing sounds of water and the gentle rustle of leaves lull you into a state of blissful relaxation as you bask in the tranquil beauty of this tropical haven. Step into understated elegance with this sophisticated modern living room, where sleek design meets tropical allure. A minimalist aesthetic reigns supreme, with sleek furnishings and a neutral color palette setting the stage for refined relaxation. Amidst this understated backdrop, an indoor garden bursts forth with exotic plants, infusing the space with vibrant greenery and natural beauty. This lush oasis creates a serene and stylish retreat, where every corner exudes tranquility and sophistication. Whether you're enjoying quiet moments alone or entertaining guests in style, this modern sanctuary offers the perfect balance of luxury and natural charm. Immerse yourself in the timeless allure of this tropical haven. It's a retreat like no other. Step into contemporary bliss with this modern living room, where urban chic meets tropical tranquility. A large skylight overhead floods the space with natural light, casting a warm glow on the lush greenery of the indoor garden. This abundance of sunlight creates a bright and airy atmosphere, inviting relaxation and rejuvenation. Whether you're lounging with a book or simply soaking in the serenity of nature, every moment in this radiant oasis is a breath of fresh air. Let the gentle rustle of leaves and the soft caress of sunlight soothe your senses as you bask in the tranquil beauty of this tropical haven. Step into contemporary luxury with this modern living room, where nature takes center stage. Floor-to-ceiling windows frame views of an indoor oasis, where lush palm trees, ferns, and vibrant tropical flowers thrive. The interplay of natural light and greenery infuses the space with a sense of tranquility and vibrancy. Whether you're lounging with a book or entertaining guests, this serene sanctuary offers a refreshing escape from the ordinary. Let the sights and scents of the tropical garden envelop you, transporting you to a world of relaxation and rejuvenation right in the comfort of your own home. It's a breath of fresh air in every sense.